Welcome na naman sa aking YouTube channel, The Mothership. Today, i-discuss natin ang 5 most common interview questions na kailangan mo munang paghandaan bago ka humarap sa iyong mga interviews. Kung baguhan ka pa lang sa paghahanap ng trabaho, o kaya naman ay napapadalas na ang mga rejections sa iyong job applications, hindi ka nag-iisa. Ito ang rason kung bakit mahalaga na alamin mo ang mga karaniwang tanong sa isang job interview, upang masigurado mong handa ka para sa anumang mangyari. Pero bago ang lahat, mag-subscribe muna kayo sa aking channel at i-click ang notification bell, para updated ka sa mga upcoming videos na talagang makakatulong sa inyo. Una sa lahat, tandaan natin na hindi lahat ng mga tanong na itatanong sa'yo ay pare-pareho. May iba't ibang uri ng job interviews gaya ng technical interviews at behavioral interviews. Subalit may ilang mga tanong na kadalasang binibigay sa lahat ng uri ng job interviews. Ito ang 5 pinaka-common. Tell me about yourself. Ang tanong na ito ay isa sa mga pinakaunang itatapat sa iyo ng interviewer para makilala ka kung ano ang kwento o background mo. Pero kung tutuusin, hindi ito tanong tungkol sa iyong kwento o background. Ito ay tungkol sa kung bakit ikaw ang pinaka-suitable na candidate para sa kanilang company. Kaya dapat sagutin mo ito ng isang maikling elevator pitch about yourself, highlighting your skills and experiences that are relevant to the job you are applying for. Ano ba ang elevator pitch? Ito ay isang maikling presentation tungkol sa iyong sarili na pang 30 seconds lang, gaya ng pagkasakay mo sa elevator. Kailangan mong maging concise at specific para magawa mong makapagbigay agad ng magandang impression. Sample answer number 1. I'm Juan de la Cruz, a fresh graduate with a degree in business management. I have been involved in various internships and school organizations that honed my leadership and problem-solving skills. I am passionate about marketing and excited for the opportunity to apply my knowledge and skills at your company. Sample answer number 2. I'm Juan de la Cruz, a seasoned marketing professional with over 5 years of experience in the FMCG industry. I have successfully launched several campaigns with products that have become top sellers in the market. My expertise lies in digital marketing and I am looking to take on bigger challenges at this point in my career. I believe that your company's innovative approach to marketing is the perfect fit for me. Sa mga sample elevator pitches na ito, maaaring napansin mo na na-cover ang skills at experiences na related sa work experience mo. Kahit fresh graduate ka, kaya mong i-showcase ang mga natutunan mo sa school at internships. Kung experience naman, pwede mong i-highlight ang achievements mo sa mga nakaraang trabaho. Why do you want to work for our company? Sa tanong na ito, kailangan mong gawing clear kung bakit ka interested sa kanilang company, at hindi lang basta-basta nag-apply. Totoo naman, lahat tayo, kailangan ng trabaho. Minsan nga, apply lang tayo ng apply, basta lang may job offer. Pero kung gusto mong mapansin at makita ang sincerity mo sa pag-apply, dapat alam mo ang reason, kung bakit gusto mo magtrabaho sa kanilang company. Kadalasan, ginagamit ng interviewers ang tanong na ito para malaman ang level of research mo tungkol sa kanilang company. Kaya dapat, mag-research ka tungkol sa kanilang product or service, company mission and vision, at iba pang relevant information na makakatulong para maisagot mo ng maayos ang tanong. Sample answer number 1. I have always admired your company's commitment to promoting passion and teamwork among your employees. I believe that my own values and work ethic aligned with yours, making this position a perfect fit for me. I also believe in the service you provide your customers. As a consumer of your products, I am confident that I will be able to contribute positively and grow in my career while working for your esteemed company. Sample answer number 2. I have been following your company's growth and success in the market, and I am impressed by how you continuously innovate and stay ahead of industry trends. I have also seen a few social media posts of your employees about their experience at work, and it has made me even more excited to possibly become a part of your team. Your company's culture and reputation are something I truly respect and admire. Napansin mo ba kung paano nabanggit ang values at product o service ng company sa mga examples na ito? Ito ay para makita ng interviewer na totoo ang interest mo sa company at hindi lang basta-basta. Ang importante dito, nakapag-research ka para makabigay ka ng specific examples or details kung bakit gusto mong magtrabaho sa company nila at hindi lang magsabi ng generic reasons. What are your strengths and weaknesses? Ang tanong na ito ay isang classic HR interview question, kaya dapat handa ka talaga dito. Kapag tinanong ka about your strengths, tandaan na hindi ito tungkol sa iyong personal traits. Ito ay tungkol sa mga skills or qualities na nauugnay sa trabaho. Isang tip na maibibigay ko ay basahin ang job description at yung listed qualifications ng position. Para makita mo kung anong specific skills ang hinahanap nila, para mapagtuunan mo ng pansin sa pagpili ng strengths na sasabihin mo. Sample answer number 1. My greatest strength is my ability to work well under pressure and meet tight deadlines. In my previous job, I was often given projects with short turnaround times, but I was able to deliver quality outputs on time. I also have excellent communication skills, which have helped me effectively collaborate with team members and deliver successful projects together. Sample answer number 2. My strengths lie in my strong attention to detail and analytical thinking. I can spot errors and discrepancies that others may overlook, making me an asset in ensuring the accuracy of reports and data. I also bring a positive attitude to work and constantly strive for excellence in everything I do. Sa kabilang banda, kapag tinanong ka naman tungkol sa weaknesses mo, huwag magbigay ng generic answers tulad ng perfectionist or workaholic. Mga standard answers yan na hindi makakatulong na mag-stand out ka sa interview. Balikan mo ulit yung job description ng position. Anong skills or qualities ang hindi mo pagaanong confident? Ito ang magiging weakness mo sa interview. Pero huwag kalimutan, nakasama rin dito kung ano yung ginagawa mo para ma-improve or ma-address yung weaknesses mo. Sample answer number 1. I am constantly working on improving my public speaking skills. I tend to get nervous when presenting in front of a large audience, but I have been making it a point to prepare and practice ahead of time. I have also attended workshops and seminars to further develop my skills in this area, and have watched TED Talks and speeches to learn from experienced speakers. Sample answer number 2. I have always been a team player, but I am also aware of my tendency to take on too many tasks at once. To address this, I have learned how to prioritize and delegate tasks effectively. I am aware that teamwork is crucial in achieving our goals, so I have been working on trusting my team members more and properly communicating expectations and responsibilities to them. I have also set boundaries for myself and communicate clearly with my team if I feel overwhelmed with my workload. Sa mga examples na ito, makikita ng interviewer na aware ka sa mga areas of improvement mo at may specific steps ka na ginagawa para ma-address ito. Ito ay magpapakita ng willingness and dedication mo to continuously learn and grow in your career. Remember, honesty is key when answering this question. It's okay to admit your weaknesses, as long as you show that you are actively working on improving them. Ang importante, na ipapakita mong may self-awareness ka, at handa kang mag-improve para sa iyong career growth. Why should we hire you? This question can make or break your interview, so you have to be prepared with a strong answer. Hindi ito pagkakataon para magpakumbaba at magsabi ng kahit po ano pong trabaho, okay lang sa akin. This is your chance to sell yourself and stand out from other candidates. Para masagot ng maayos ang tanong na ito, balikan mo ulit yung na-research mo about the company at yung job description ng position. Bakit? Para makita ng interviewer kung paano mo maibabagay ang iyong skills and experiences sa company at kung ano yung specific contribution or value na mabibigay mo kapag ikaw ay hired. Sample answer number 1. I strongly believe that my experience in project management strong attention to detail, and passion for delivering quality outputs make me a perfect fit for this position. I am confident that I can effectively contribute to the growth of your company and help drive success in projects. Sample answer number 2. As someone who is highly organized, detail-oriented, and has excellent communication skills, I am confident that I will be able to thrive in your fast-paced and dynamic work environment. My previous experience in a similar role has equipped me with the necessary skills and knowledge to hit the ground running and make valuable contributions to the company. Sa mga examples na ito, makikita ng interviewer na alam mo kung ano yung specific skills or qualities na hinahanap nila at paano mo magagamit ang mga ito para sa success ng company. Ito ay makakapagpakita ng confidence mo sa iyong sarili at sa iyong kakayahan na maging asset sa company. Always remember to be genuine and sincere in your answers, and let your interest and passion for the job shine through. Sa panahon ngayon, where competition is really tough, it's important to set yourself apart from other candidates by showing why you are the best fit for the job. Ito ay magpapakita na handa ka at excited ka to be part of their team. Do you have any questions? Madalas, hindi natin maiisip na ang tanong na ito ay importante during an interview. Pero ito ay isa sa mga chance na maipapakita mo sa interviewer na talagang interesado ka sa company at sa posisyon na ina-applyan mo. Huwag sana magpaka-awkward at magsabi ng, "Wala po, thank you." Instead, take this chance to ask intelligent questions that will show your interest and enthusiasm for the position. Of course, pwede ka namang magtanong ng mga generic questions like, what benefits and perks do you offer your employees? Or, what is the company culture like? Pero mas maganda kung magtanong ka ng mga specific questions tungkol sa role or the company's future plans. Sample answer number 1. Can you tell me more about the team that I will be working with? I am interested in learning more about their roles and responsibilities, as well as how we can collaborate effectively to achieve our goals. Sample answer number 2. I noticed that your company has recently launched a new product. Can you tell me more about it, and how this will affect my role in the company? I am excited to learn, and be a part of the growth and development of the company. Sa mga examples na ito, makikita ng interviewer na interesado ka sa specific details about the position, and how you can contribute to the company. This will also show your eagerness to learn, and be a part of the company's growth. Tandaan mo, hindi lang sila ang nag-evaluate sa iyo. Ikaw din, dapat ka ring mag-evaluate sa kanila. Hindi mo naman siguro gustong mag-work sa isang company na hindi ka aligned sa kanilang goals, or hindi mo makakasundo ang mga kasama mo, hindi ba? Laging tandaan, sa interview, importante na maipakita mo sa interviewer na ikaw ay isang professional at qualified candidate. Pero higit sa lahat, mahalaga rin na maging genuine at may bahagi kung sino ka talaga bilang tao at employee. Mahirap man ang process ng job hunting, huwag kang mawalan ng pag-asa at patuloy na mag-improve sa iyong skills at qualifications. Remember, you are not just selling yourself in an interview, you are also finding the right fit for your career growth and development. As long as you stay true to yourself and continuously improve, success will come your way. Good luck sa iyong job hunting journey. Salamat ulit sa pagpanood ng aking video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe para sa mga future career tips at advice.